Welcome everyone. In this video we are going to show you how to make a free website in 8 minutes. And this is the website which we are going to create. So let's get started. Now open the browser and enter sites.google.com. And then click the plus icon on the bottom right corner to create a new project. Now click here and enter your business name. Click Themes to change the theme of your website. You can also change the colors and fonts of your theme. Now to change the banner picture, click Change Image and select Upload. Choose the picture and click Open. For adding the logo, click Add Logo and click Upload. Choose the picture and click Open. To make the header transparent, click here and change. Now to add elements to your homepage, click Insert, and click Text Box. You can change the area of text by dragging the corners, and also use double-click to open the shortcut. Click Image icon and click Search to use the online images to your website. Now click the image and select. You can change the position by dragging the image. Now click the text box and paste the content which you want. For the heading, open text and drag it to the top. Click here and change the heading font. And click here to change the alignment of the text. Also, you can change the position of the content anytime you want. Use the divider option to separate the sections on the page. Use the layout option which is relevant for your website. On my case, I am going to create a comparison section between the old and new TV. If you want, you can modify the layout to your wish. Double-click on the image to crop it. And click this icon to get the actual resolution of the image. So now I am going to add the heading and content to my website. Use this icon to convert paragraph into bullet points. By using the divider option we can separate section, and also we could change the background emphasis and image as we want. So I am going to choose this one. Now we are going to show you how to add pages to your website. Click on Pages. And this is where you will see the added pages later. So to add new page, click this plus icon and enter the page name. And design the page using the elements on the right side, like I said before. If you do not have any pictures, you can use the images through Google. This is specific advantages in building the Google site. Now I am going to add heading and content to this section. Now we are going to use the button option. Button is used for redirecting to specific link where you want them to go. Like Facebook page. Now paste your Facebook page URL here. Drag the button to any position where you want it to be. Next we are going to show you how to create a subpage to the service page. Click here and click this dots. Click Add Subpage and add the name of your subpage. If you want, you can add more subpage to the menu. Now I am going to edit the mobile phone page. By using layout and implementing the heading and content to the section. So now we are going to use the image carousel option. This option provides the slideshow of 2 or more images. Now select the bunch of images and click Insert. This is the preview of image carousel when your site is published. By using the button option, you can also redirect it to your own website pages. Using simple options, you can customize your button section. Now we are going to see how to add YouTube video to your website. Search for the video and click Select. You can adjust the video by dragging the corners, as you wish. Now we will create the contact page. Click Pages and enter Contact Pages. By using layouts, insert the images. Click this icon to get actual resolution of the image. And enter your contact details in this text bar. Now we are going to insert your business address using Google Maps. Click Map and search for your address. And then click Select. Adjust the map by dragging the corners. Finally, this is how your menu bar will look like. Now click Publish. Click here and enter your business name. Click here. And make sure that Anyone Can Find and View option is selected. Now click Done. And then click Publish. That's it, we have created the free website by following these simple steps in Google Sites. Here's some tips to make your Google site more unique. First tip is using hyperlinks. Upload an image. And click this hyperlink icon. This way you can redirect your customers to your Facebook and Instagram pages, and then click Apply. Second tip is to add favicon. Click here and click Add favicon. Click Upload and select your business logo. That's it. If you click here and click View Published Site, you will find your logo as favicon here. Thanks for watching the video. For more tech content, subscribe to our channel and get notified.